Dear all, today is another day. I'm Jimmy YAB, University Professor. As President of the Movement for the Liberation and Development of Cameroon, MLDC, I wish to publicly commend the remarkable political maturity of Professor Maurice KAMTO, President of the Cameroon Renaissance Movement, CRMM, in response to the event that unfolded this Sunday, June 8. Bare from assessing his own party headquarters in Daito under a tense and unjustified administrative blockade, Professor KAMTO chose peace, restraint, and republican dignity. He instructed his supporters to remain calm, disciplined, and return home peacefully at about 4 p.m., rejecting confrontation. I think this act of leadership in a moment that could have spurred into chaos deserves respect and recognition. It confirmed that politics, when truly serving the people, must always be guided by republican principles. I also commend the law enforcement forces who in their majority demonstrate professional restraint. They show that it is possible to ensure public order without resorting to violence. Such institutional civility must be reinforced and encouraged also. However, beyond this sincere congratulations, we must express our deep democratic concern. The decision to bar Maurice KAMTO from accessing his own office and meeting peacefully his supporters represent a serious violation of fundamental freedoms. Freedom of assembly protected by Article 20 of the Constitution, freedom of movement protected under Article 12 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and the supremacy of international treaty over domestic law, enshrined in Article 45 of the Constitution. No real threat to public order could justify such a decision. The ban was politically disproportionate and legally baseless. Yet, it was President Paul Biya himself, the architect of Cameroon's democratic transition, who declared in 1991, quote, "The return to multi-party politics represents a decisive step toward the consolidation of democracy in our country," unquote. What remains of this progress if more than 30 years later an opposition leader is denied access to his office and prevented from calmly engaging with his followers? The MLDC firmly reminds all the multi-party politics that multi-party is not a privilege, it's a constitutional right. The political arena must not be dominated by fear or closed-off arbitrary decision. Only pluralism or legal equality and respect of right can genuinely build a proper republic. We therefore demand our government to 1. Immediately end all arbitrary restriction against opposition party. 2. Strictly uphold the Constitution and international legal commitment. 3. Ensure an open, peaceful, and fair democratic environment. Because what happened to Maurice KAMTO on June 8 does not only concern him, it concerns the rule of law, the legacy of multi-party democracy, and the moral authority of the state. The MLDC will continue its struggle for a republic of law, an equitable republic, and a sovereign Cameroon through the vision of a community-based developmental state that serves the people, not fear. Long live the Republican spirit of Cameroon. Long live true multi-party democracy. Long live fundamental freedom for all. Thank you.